come out this morning to do a little squirrel hunting. And I want to tell you, I brought my 17 HMR, and it is thick in here. Let me show you. See how it looks. I have actually found a bunch of squirrels. I'm in them. The first one I shot though with this HMR, it took me 2 shots to hit him. And you know you got to hit him in the head, because this gun's too powerful to be trying to body shoot him. And so I think I did a pretty good job of hitting him in the head, but the problem was he fell and hung on limb. And I had to shoot 2 or 3 times to get him to fall, and I hit him. So he was no good for what I was needing him for. I can tell you I made a mistake. I know what I need. I have a Winchester 20 gauge, and I'm able to see these squirrels. I'm just not able to get shots at them. I am going to go back to the house, coming back with that 20 gauge. It's pretty warm today, and man, I had to go back to the house and get this shotgun. I know there's squirrels in here, I'm seeing them. I probably could have had about 5 this morning had I had this shotgun to start with. I ain't gonna lie, I don't like picking pellets out of it, but the way we're gonna cook it, it won't be real hard. And let me tell you why I'm out here hunting. One, I know that in September, all these squirrels are gonna be in hickory trees. That's where I found every one of them this morning. They're just kind of sitting around these hickory trees and going up and down them. Chris and I were talking the other day, and he said, man, have you ever heard of the World Championship Squirrel Cook-Off? And I said, man, I have heard of that, and I think it's in Arkansas. So I looked it up, and I found a fella's number and called him, and he said, man, today's your lucky day. We got a booth left just for you. So we were like, man, yeah, this is gonna be great. And I said, so when is the dates of it? And he said the 13th. And I said, the 13th of what? He said, September. Guys, it's the 4th. I don't have any squirrels. I mean, it's critical. Chris is hunting, I'm hunting. I got 2 or 3 other buddies that are out there trying to get it done for us too. We gotta have some squirrels, man. We can't win without squirrels. And they'd probably disqualified us if we tried to slip old coon in there. I got plenty of coons at my corn pile where I'm gonna hunt. So we're gonna try to get it done. We're gonna try to do my part. Man, I'm glad y'all come along with me. This makes it more fun for sure. All right, I got this 20 gauge. I got a little red dot on it. Man, if I see them now, it's freaking on. It's freaking on. Where'd that sucker fall at? There he is, right there. See right there? Them little dudes camouflage pretty good. There he is, guys. Heck yeah. I got the right weapon now. They're still hard to find in here. I mean, these suckers are skittish. They're acting like somebody's been hunting them. Ain't nobody in here hunting. That's not gonna make much of a big bowl of dumplings, but it's a start. I want y'all to check out this spider web. I hope that spider will stay there for you. Man, I see the coolest things out here. Y'all check this out. Look at all that. And I can hear a squirrel sitting up there eating now. I'm trying to figure out where he's dropping. I don't think he's in the tree I'm under now. Alright, I got him pinpointed. I hit that sucker. Heck yeah, guys. It makes number 2. Where are you at, sucker? Oh, crap. I got 2 squirrels still alive. That one's dead. I could hear that squirrel up there chewing when I was standing there. So I turned the camera on and I started easing up so you guys could watch. And I don't know if that deer was laid down right beside me, but that sucker snorted and I'd like to come out of my clothes. Scared the fire out of me. Wish I could have got a shot off at that one again. There he is, a little 20 gauge. Man, if I'd have had that little 20 gauge this morning, I'd have had to call you to come help me drag squirrels out of here. Yeah, made a mistake, but I got it going my way now. Alright, let's load this one up in this vest. Go ahead. Man, there ain't nothing better than getting out here and watching these squirrels scamper around and try to harvest a few of them. You know what I wish you'd do for me? I wish you'd scamper over to that subscribe button. Click it for me. I appreciate you guys watching, I really do. Thank you. Alright, little redemption there. That's gonna put another one in the bag. Did you know that when squirrels are on the ground and something gets after them, they can run up to 14 miles an hour? That is freaking flying. And then when they hit the tree, they can go up that sucker at 12 miles an hour. That's scooting. That's scooting to get away. And they can just flat-footed jump like from one limb to another. They can jump from like 10 foot from one foot to the other. I'm used to hunting after Christmas when the leaves are off the trees. You can see a lot better. Man, this right here makes it a little tough on me. What's up, guys? Man, I want to show y'all something. Squirrel season getting ready to come up. Y'all see this vest right here? This Hunt Pal? Man, I bought this at Amazon. And I know if y'all squirrel hunt, y'all may be looking. Y'all may be looking for a vest. And man, before you go too far, check one of these things out. It's made out of pretty good material and got a little place for your cell phone. And I keep my shells in one of these pockets. I keep toilet paper in a pocket. But man, it's made pretty good. And it's, you know, it's, of course, if you want to dove hunt, I got squirrels in there now. It's pretty good though. It's called Hunt Pal. I'll drop it in the link below. Go down there, and if you want to check one out, go down at the bottom and click on it, and it'll pull it up from Amazon. See what you think. And they're not cheap made. Pretty good vest. Guys, that pretty much wraps it up for the day. I appreciate y'all tagging along, having fun with me. I look forward to going again and having you right there with me. Man, keep your lines tight, keep your powder dry. We'll catch you on the next big adventure. Look at that. That kind of embarrasses me.